It's like the edges are like still poking out, so it's hard to like swerve. I'm trying to like get it all the way on the edge, but it's hard.
It's mainly the edges that stay mixed.
Bro, I put Shinkos on my other bike, and within a month I had a flat already.
Yeah.
And everyone's telling me how like the Shinkos, they get flats quick.
Everybody be talking shit about it.
Yeah, well I mean, they're made for like tubeless, so I think they're not really made for a tube. Yeah. Oh, you've only had that 2 months?
Yeah, fresh out.
What'd you have before?
Not street bike.
Oh,
I couldn't walk. I was just power wheeling them, you know what I'm saying? But I never had control.
No, yeah. Bro, you're getting it, so.
Yeah, I'm getting it.
You trying to race? Trying to race? So we got a 450, a 250 Kawasaki. That's a Honda. Alright. Awesome. Who calls it? Huh? Who calls it? Me? Alright. What? You got that one, bro.
Yeah, I'm gonna die on me now.
Bro, I was like 1, 2, 3, and just Thumpstar. What happened?
So my knuckles can't fit behind it. Like when I do, it tries to like still die out.
Now we got the angle. Alright, hey, one of you call it. Alright, here we go. Hey, from a roll. A roll, from a roll. Huh?
When you let your hand go right, you just shift lock. That's it.
Yeah, I'm shift locking.
You just shift lock.
Sometimes I go like this with my knees,
Bike up.
just like to grip onto the bike, because like when you're like no hands 12 o'clock, you sort of want to fall back, and like if I do the shift lock and sort of grip a little, it helps. Pulled up. I just got here and now I gotta leave. I'm probably gonna stay here.
Just let him leave.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do.
Yeah.
Hey, later. Y'all ride safe.
Alright, man.
No, yeah, it just kicks everyone out. Hey, y'all ride safe. Hey, hit me up if you're gonna go ride or shit. I'll join y'all.
Alright.
I ain't gonna lie, bro. The YZ is feeling flippin' magnificent, bro. I'm gonna tell you what I did right now. If you so I have an 06 YZ 125, and I always felt like it was a little saggy. The suspension wasn't tight. Of course, my dumbass thought like, oh, it's an old bike. That's just how it is. But if you look over here, on this side, this thing right here, I don't know what it's called, but if you tighten this top bolt to the right, and on the inside, if you tighten that to the right a few turns, I probably did, for the inside it's clicks, so I did like 6 clicks on the inside because my shit was so loose, and I did about 1 full twist on the bolt, and like, dude, look at this, bro. Like before, it would cushion down so flippin' much. I was just thinking the PD just kicked everyone out, and they're like, there's no cars here. It's like they know where these dirt bikes are going, and they still kick them out. It just doesn't make sense to me. It's like, oh yeah, we're gonna have to kick you out of this lot, but you can ride the streets. Like, go ahead. We might chase you. We might call the helicopter on you, but we're just gonna kick you out of here so you can go onto the streets. See if I get the one hand. I'm a one hand lifter up. Bro got his whole goddamn tail light hanging off. It's because of you, bro. You're killing it. He said, yeah. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, bro, I appreciate you filming, bro, for real. That was Brap right there. I had to I had to floss next to him real quick, you know. One boy got that Never Panic shirt on. Bro, I tried to ship lock. He got me! He got me, bro. I put it down. He got me, bro. Fair and square, dude. Say what? Oh, yeah. This is just the start. Huh? Alright, bet. Say, show me a tune. I hope you enjoyed today's video. It was a little quicker than usual. I didn't expect to get kicked out of here so quick, but yeah, stay motivated. I freaking love you. Till next time. And this YZ125 is freaking pretty. Peace.